everybody. My name is Ms Habiba. I'm a PhD student and a professor of Indragate too. So we have just finalized our first workshop at Zanzibar, IATM Zanzibar. And we are here with Ms Habiba, just having a feedback and sort of like understanding about how the course went and what exactly has she learned. Is it important for us to continue this course, and what is sort of the advantage of it? What can we do more? How many other courses can we bring? How can we specify them as well? So what did you think?
My name is Habiba. I'm from Ministry of Infrastructure, Communication and Transport. Through this course, Advanced Concrete Technology, as now our country is going up, is exploding for construction. We have planned many things, many new things. Like we just take it for simply, but it's not that simple. We go into it, and we know the mixture, chemicals. By getting on more and more courses like this, you are broadening us our mind to construction, to more understanding, to everything that's so like many more courses to come.
Yeah.
We love you all and thank you so much.
But what also do you think about, the knowledge of concrete doing that we have here in terms of also as structural engineers? Do you think this knowledge will be advantageous to them as well?
Yeah, it's very advantageous. They have to know. I think we share some details with them and they see.
Yeah.
But mostly for chemical reactions, we just don't take them simple. It's reacts. It really matters.
It matters, yes,
Yeah.
it matters. What about the practices of maintenance that you were talking about, especially here in Stone Town?
And the maintenance mostly are being done by foreign people, foreign companies.
Not our own local experts.
Yeah, by knowing this, local experts can get jobs and advancing our downtown areas.
That's nice. Thank you so much, Habiba.
Thank you.
Yeah, for even sharing. We appreciate it.
Thank you too.
Okay.